Today, we're going to go over how you can create and manage spaces with ProductiveRecruit. First off, what is a space? A space is just a way to organize athletes and admins and teams. So, if you're a club that's relatively even large to small size, in a lot of cases, right, you might only need one space. If you're a recruiting business, same thing. You probably just have a space for your clients, but where you might need a second space or a third space or more is if you're a club, a large club or a school district, let's say, and you sign up, you might want a space for each school or each club location. Now, if you're a recruiting business, you might want a space for each package you offer to clients. Let's say you have a light tier and a pro tier. That's just some examples. There's many ways you can organize this. At the end of the day, spaces are a feature that you can utilize to organize your account how you want. You only pay for the amount of athletes you need on ProductiveRecruit. So to add a new space, we're going to click Add New Space up here. Let's say we have a made-up club called Chicago Lightning. Let's just add Sister Club as an example. We can select the type as Club High School and add an optional description. Let's set our sports. So in this case, we're a soccer club, so we're going to pick men's and women's soccer. You can add as many sports to a space as you want. At the end of the day, the sports you add here are the sports your athlete is allowed to make a profile for. So if it's a recruiting business and you support all sports, you can add all sports here, and you can also update that later from the space settings page. Now, since we're paying for 50 on this account and we have 25 allocated to the other space, so we can add up to 25 here. Great. That's how you add a new space. And as you can see, we can keep track of our athletes here. So this is a brand new account. Let's click in on Chicago Lightning here and go to the settings page. So here we can update the space name, the time zone. So the time zone is important because some things like task and stuff are relative to your time zone on due dates. So the time zone here is the default time zone that will get set for your users, but they'll also be able to update that. Select team on sign up. That setting, I'll get to that in a second. That setting has to do with our login and registration pages. And then here, where you can update sports, you can add or remove sports. And down here, we could update our logo. On ProductiveRecruit, you can crop logos. You can remove this and add a new one. It's pretty sweet. So that is how you can create and manage space settings. In future videos, we'll go over how you can invite users, utilize bulk actions, create recruiting checklists, and a bunch of other cool stuff. So stay tuned for the next tutorial video. Thank you.